Welcome back to the Career channel today with another very exciting video about Units.Network. I think it's very safe to say that here comes the first step of Wave's summer plans. You'll see what I mean in a second. So let's focus on this X post about Units.Network just raising $10 million to accelerate ecosystem growth. This is funding coming from Nimbus Capital, which is a global investor focused on cross-border blockchain deals with over 1.3 billion. So if you never heard about Nimbus Capital, they are specializing in cross-border transactions and transformative investments that drive innovation and growth. And they do see a lot of potential on Units.Network. This funding will activate three main aspects. It will allow to develop AI Launchpad to help builders deploy smarter apps, AI Liquidity Manager for efficient autonomous markets, and more grants to kickstart high-impact projects on Units. Units are quite a big deal. They are a blockchain focused on modular infrastructure with layer 0 scalability and risk-taking for consensus. They already have a significant amount of followers with over 176,000. If you never heard about Units.Network, this is the rundown. Essentially, they allow anyone to launch their own blockchain with ease, powered by a decentralized community and DAO governance. Infinite chains, infinite scalability, all interconnected. Units.Network is a modular blockchain ecosystem designed to enable infinite scalability and seamless interoperability across all connected chains. And all of this is powered by Wave's network. In this age of decentralization, decentralized governance is the way to go, and that is exactly what Units is designed to do. Units.Network is driven by its community. DAO governance essentially works in three steps. One, you stake Unit0 tokens. Just by staking those, you will be able to receive rewards from DAO-funded projects. This is something in the likes of incentives. Then you can not only vote on treasury allocation, but also project grants and new chain launches. Lastly, you can track project growth through the leaderboard and expand your returns. Okay, so nowadays everything is walking towards the path of decentralization, and Units.Network is exactly wanting to empower users to do that. Deploy your own customizable blockchain with Units.Network's factory of chains. Tap into our layer 0 infrastructure to ensure scalability, interoperability, and security from day one. Units grants EVM compatibility, also seamless blockchain deployment, and the DAO support and grants. So EVM compatibility means that all of these networks that are essentially anchored on the Waves network will be very easy for protocols to expand to from one to another. Essentially, that's that. And with Units, developers will be able to focus on building their projects, since Units will handle all validator management. And lastly, the DAO's leaderboard will allow for anyone who is developing to apply for grants and also gain visibility. There's already quite a few top projects which are already integrated with the Unit0 network. Let's take a quick look at those. So starting with DeFi, we have CrossCurve, DexTools, SwapFi. There's even more, but these are just the flagship ones. Then we have also the gaming ecosystem aspect on Units with already some solid players. Tools and infrastructure, you can see very known protocols like DappRadar, DeFi Llama, CryptoRank, and also already valid wallets joining into the ecosystem, marketplaces to serve users. And of course, this is just the beginning. If you're a developer and you want to create on Units, you can submit your project through this page. Or if you're interested in deploying a new chain within the Units.Network ecosystem, you can come also to Units.Network and request deployment. So this is the quick rundown about Units.Network. So with all this in mind, it's no wonder they were able to raise $10 million to accelerate ecosystem growth. With this funding, it's no wonder that Units will be making some waves in this current summer. Let's take a quick look at Waves blog to wrap this one up. Units.Network, a blockchain ecosystem built on the Waves protocol, raised 10 million in a funding round led by Nimbus Capital, private investment firm specializing in cross-border transactions and blockchain innovation. The capital will accelerate the development of AI-powered tools and expand the network's infrastructure, positioning Units.Network as a leader in the growing intersection of AI and blockchain technology. The investment will fuel two key initiatives: an AI Launchpad, and an AI Liquidity Manager. The Launchpad will simplify the process for developers creating on-chain projects. The Liquidity Manager will enhance market efficiency, creating fairer and more accessible trading environments for developers and users alike. The funding also promises to strengthen Units.Network's infrastructure by scaling validator capacity and improving cross-chain liquidity. What the ecosystem gains: accelerated AI development, enhanced network capacity, community growth support, market efficiency gains, and strategic ecosystem expansion. The funding complements the recent launch of UnitsDAO, a community-driven initiative offering performance grants for projects that attract at least 1 million in TVL to the network. With advanced technology and strategic backing from Nimbus Capital, Units.Network is poised to drive the future of decentralized innovation, merging AI and blockchain to build a more intelligent and interconnected digital economy. So all in all, huge news for Units.Network. Both users and developers can leverage this booming ecosystem right now. These are great news. So the near future does look bright on Units.Network. Go check it out, see it for yourself. This is what I wanted to share with you. I told you this would be a very exciting video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again back here on the Career channel.